Importance of personal financial management. You may believe that you are either too young or too wealthy to manage your finances. Your excuse may be valid, but only in the short run. When the time that you need to plan for your finances, it may be too late because you've already spent all of your money. Whatever stage of life you're in, you need to have a solid personal money management plan in place. This simply means how you manage and organize your personal financial activities, such as investments, savings, expenses, income production, and so on. You'll have created a financial plan or budget that explains how you handle your money once it's been applied. You might be asking why personal financial planning is so important. Good personal financial management is essential for the following reasons. Number 1. Easily manage your income. Knowing how to manage your money will assist you in determining which costs to address first and which to address later. You'll also be able to estimate how much money you will need for savings or to pay your monthly obligations. If you want to fast increase your wealth, you must be able to manage your debts. That is why personal finance is so important in ensuring this occurs. Avoiding overspending or spending more than you earn is one strategy to stay out of debt. Emergency fund. While hoping for the best is good, it is also vital to prepare for the worst. A sudden job loss or a medical emergency might completely destabilize your finances. This is why, in order to deal with such problems, you should maintain an emergency fund. Financial gurus urge people to set aside an emergency fund equal to 6 months' salary. Number 2. Raising your standards of living. The more you plan for your finances, the more money you will save. This means that more money will be conserved instead of going to unanticipated expenses. Higher savings can help when you're facing financial difficulties. One of the best things about financial management is that it makes you want to make more money. You'll be motivated to think of strategies to keep your income higher than your expenses, whether you're starting a new job, changing careers, or starting a business. 3. To tackle inflation. Inflation lowers the purchasing power of each unit of money, resulting in price increases over time for goods and services. For example, a set of groceries cost you $100. Over a year, bank offers 3% annual interest rate. After a year, let's assume the same set of grocery cost $110 now. This means that you are still fall short of S7. This is how inflation lowers your purchasing power over time, requiring you to spend more for the same things. Conclusion. Now you understand better why personal financial management is so important. You'll have a better understanding of where and how you're spending your money once you start managing your finances. This can help you stick to your budget and possibly save more money. You'll learn to handle your money and reach your financial goals with strong personal finance management. You'll become more financially wise as a result of this, and you'll have multiple sources of income. Thanks for watching. If you are interested to learn more about personal finance tips, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel.